All right. The reason I'm recording this is to show the world, is to show everyone in the world that the legal centers are fake. Anytime you try to use services because they're a fake legal center, they close down everywhere. They do not want to allocate me money. I have trillions of dollars in lawsuit cases. And anytime I go to them, they close down everywhere because they have no money. And they're scared that I'm going to take money. Now watch this. This is Santa Barbara. It says closed now. This is Los Angeles. It says closed now. This is Santa Barbara. It says closed now. Santa Cruz. It says closed now. So they're closing down all their legal services everywhere, every time I try to use them, because I have trillions of dollars in legal cases. Monica County Public, Montecito, closed now. I told you I'm the smartest person in the world. They refuse to run their country right around me. I'm too smart for anybody. Too smart for the legal, for the law. I'm too smart for the legal division. Too smart for anybody in the world. Now, the California Secretary of State. Closed now. But I'll leave a comment here. On my movie, Universal Phone, which I'm the biggest theater star in the universe or the world's greatest inventor. Now understand that they're running the services wrong at me everywhere. And they're closing legal law centers everywhere because I'm too smart for the law. Now look, Fresno County, closed now. So understand that they have no authority. Do you understand? None of them do. They have none. Okay, Yola County Public Defender, closed now. You understand? The law has no authority. They have no right here. It's my universe. It's my universes. It's my multiverses. It's my universal phone. It's my theater. They have no right. None of them do. Okay? The legality is they are forced to close down everywhere. Closed now. Fresh now. I already showed you that one. So they're scamming their legal services everywhere because I'm the wealthiest person in the world. The California governor. Watch. Now the California governor's open. So we'll post my universal phone film there. National Association. Hold on. That one didn't open. But anyway, understand that they're doing this constantly. They're constantly trying to avoid legal cases. They're constantly trying to avoid the law legally. And the way they do it is they close legal centers everywhere. You understand that they have to do this because legally they have no right in my theater to do this, in my universe and universes and multiverses. And they're trying to cover it up, but they can't. Do you understand? All they can do is say, we're closed for now. But the reality is they're not running their legal centers right at all. And they never have, and they never will. And they're not really the law at all. Okay, they're scamming everybody in a theater. That's all they're doing. And they're trying to act like they're fast, but they're not fast. Okay, they're not good actors or any goddamn thing. I'm tired of fucking, exposing them. For what they are. Fraudulent, fraud services. Now look, San Francisco. Now they're the only ones open. Do you understand how they sham the law legally? Okay, it's right there. See that? Universal phone. It's not a house phone. It's not a cell phone. I don't even know if it's alien. It's more than alien. $225. That's Susan Monrow. Not Ace Monroe, not me. And they can do this. They can sell my products. Right here. Your police department. All damn day. They don't need my permission. Right here. They'll do it right here in front of you. Where's my attorney? Where's my lawyer? Can't get one. Everybody's retarded. Everybody's gonna act retarded. Invaluable income. Can't get no justice. Can't get nothing. But they're gonna do it right here. They'll do it right here. Right in front of the police. They'll do it right in front of you. They don't care about no damn laws. They don't care about right and wrong. They'll do it right here. All damn day. To show you who they are. It's illegal, but you know what? They're making it legal. Right here in the police department. They don't care. This is illegal, but you know what? They're gonna make it legal. All damn day. Right in front of you. That's the police for you. That's what they do. Just make stuff up. All damn day. I don't care about no damn law. What's the speed limit say? 60. They're gonna put on their sirens, they're gonna do 120. You feel me?
With their agency.
So how can we help you? Because that's not really your area.
Okay, so who do I need to get in contact
So
with?
you would need a copyright lawyer.
Copyright lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
but
you would have to,
Right.
because it's a civil issue, right, you and this particular entity.
okay, can the police direct me to a copyright lawyer?
No, it's just not our field, man,
Okay, well, the bottom line is I wanted to accuse them of fraud and theft.
Okay. Yeah.
And, you know, I don't know if I need a copyright lawyer for that. You know, because they're basically, their services are not legitimate. Simply because I showed them my work, and then I showed them their copyright office logo, and it was almost the same as my work. And I said, well, you guys are trying to steal my work, and you're trying to say that you guys stole first.
Oh, sir, what we're talking, do you have your ID, sir?
Yeah.
You don't have to, this is all recorded, so you don't have to record it.
Well, I have to make sure that my work doesn't get stolen by them, because they are not a legitimate service, and I can't get legitimate people. I can't get anyone's sound around me. I can't get legitimate people around
Where
me.
do you live?
I have my. I'll give you my my address. Give me 1 second. 2222 McColl Drive. Now, I will. Matter of fact, I have a copy of my work.
Okay.
This is some of the work that I'm trying to do. And they're just not. They're not sound.
Who are they?
The copyright office.
And where's that at?
Because I was trying to explain to them.
Where's the copyright office? The U.S. government?
I don't know where they are, their location exactly, but this is what I showed them.
Okay.
Okay, I showed them that I'm the creator of universes.
Right.
I showed them my eyes.
Yeah.
I said I'm the creator of universes.
Okay.
Showed them that. I showed them this. I showed them that.
Okay.
And I told them that they need to waive the fee. Because
Fee for what?
For my rights to be published with them.
Publish how? What are you trying to get published?
I'm trying to copyright my work with them. It's already copywritten with me.
So you're trying to copyright the universe?
No. Universes.
Universes.
Yeah, they've already copywritten the universe.
So talk to me about other things, okay? Because what you're saying makes sense to you, but it doesn't make sense to me, okay?
I'm a rocket scientist.
Okay.
Okay, and I do work.
But so what you're saying has nothing got to do with police. But you've been calling us all night, which tells me there's something else going on with
No. That's not going to work with me, sir.
Okay, now hang on.
Right.
What are you diagnosed with first of all?
I'm not diagnosed with anything.
Okay.
If we're going to start talking about,
Well, that's where we're at.
what,
So
no,
yeah.
we're not.
So here's the thing.
Here's the problem, sir. I'm calling to accuse the Copyright Office of theft
of the universe.
No, of my work.
Yeah.
Okay,
Which
if
is
you
in
can't
the-
help me, that's fine. That's all I need to know.
Right. Well, I gotta ask you a couple of questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you diagnosed with anything?
I'm not diagnosed with anything.
Okay. All right. So you're not taking medication for anything?
I'm not taking medication for anything.
Do you want to hurt yourself today?
No, sir.
Do you want to hurt anybody else?
No, sir.
Okay. So, with that being said, this issue you have with a copyrighting office that you don't know where the copyrighting office
No.
is?
I don't have it at the top of my head. I have it on my email file where they're located. Okay, but I don't have the address and stuff at the top of my head.
We, as police, we can't help you with that. If you want to go talk to somebody, because this...
So if I'm accusing them of theft, you guys can't help me with that. Is that what you're saying?
We can't help you with that. You're accusing someone that you don't know who they are of.
Well, I have their name.
The universe.
Okay, I have their name. I have their email address. I have their address.
Okay.
That's all I have, but I don't have it
You
at the top
can't
of my head.
copyright the universe.
No. I'm not. No. Universes. I created the universes. Okay. I created the universes.
So
I know the universe is already
We can't
there.
help you with that.
Okay.
So you would, if you want to seek copyright infringement for that, you're gonna have to seek out a copyright attorney. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
where would I go to seek a copyright?
You would have to Google that.
Put it on the internet and look it up.
I couldn't help you with that. All right. So
Okay.
there's your identification.
All right.
Okay. I'm gonna let my dispatch know that the matter is resolved as far as the copyright.
Okay.
But you're calling 911. This is not a 911 issue, okay? So you got to stop calling 911.
Okay, I was trying to report a theft and fraud. That's what I was trying to report. But if I can't report it with the police and no one is sound, then that it's on record.
Is there
it's
anybody
on
we
file.
can call to come get you?
No.
Well,
I don't
what's
have
your plan?
anything wrong with me mentally or any of that stuff.
What's your plan then for today?
I'm going to continue trying to seek justice for myself against these, against this government or whatever they're doing.
Don't keep calling 911 because ultimately you keep abusing that and you can end up in jail. So don't keep calling 911.
That's all we're saying. It's not a 911 issue, okay?
I
You
want to take
understand
you
that?
to jail.
Okay, so you're trying to make it seem like I'm going to keep calling. This is the first time you guys came out.
All right, but my dispatcher said you've been calling over the night.
I was trying to report, like I said, I was trying to
Okay.
report fraud.
If that's-
I was
if
trying to
that's
report
resolved-
theft. If you guys can't help me with theft and fraud, then that's fine.
Okay.
I'll make a record of that.
Not in this
Okay.
instance, okay? You
All
have
right.
yourself a nice day. Okay,
Yeah.
Carl?
Yes, I'm just trying to get it.
Are you trying to stalk me? Is that what you're saying? Because they know you're stalking me. I have your name in the word.
Listen, I'm glad you got a mask. That's
Right.
cool. But we need to identify who you are.
I told you I am. I'm Ace Monroe, the most famous person alive.
Do you
The
have any
creator
weapons
of
on you?
universes.
Do you have any weapons?
I'm on the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill.
Do you have any of those on you?
Easy question. Do you have any weapons on you?
Do you have any drugs on you? Anything illegal on you? No. Do you mind if we take a look?
Why are you doing
We're
this?
trying to identify who
You have
you
a
are.
job.
No, you're not. You're pressing me. The Federal Reserve knows what you're doing. You understand? They have money.
Do you have any kind of anything with your name on it?
No.
A ticket? Do you have a ticket with your name on it?
You see the coronavirus going around?
I'm very aware of it.
They're tired of you people pressing.
I think the coronavirus was in my car last night.
They're
But,
tired of you people
they
pressing.
cleaned it already.
I don't need no help. I don't need to deal with the police. I'm the wealthiest person. Okay? There's some kids over there on bicycles.
Can we get that understood? That I'm taking note that you said you're the wealthiest man. That's understood.
Take note.
I'm also taking note that you said you're with the Federal Reserve. Take note of that. Also take note of the fact that you said you're God. You don't have to say that stuff again.
I'm God.
I just need.
I'm the owner of this
ID.
property.
You're the owner. I'll take note of that as well.
All right.
And so that's all been noted into record. It's been recorded.
That's fine.
But
I've already done this
I
stuff.
still need to identify who you are. You see how long we've been here?
Okay, well, here's the thing. If you put me in the system, they're going to keep swapping me out, first off.
That's
Because
okay. That's okay.
that system is politically incorrect
It might be, but that's all we
compared
got.
to the work that I do.
That's the best we have. It's where we are.
It's not legitimate. It's not going to work compared to the work. Now, those kids, they just did something worse than I did, and I just recorded them, and it was red.
But you know what the thing about being a grown-up is? They got nothing to do with you right now. We're just trying to identify who you are. That's got nothing
If
to do
we
with
had
it.
already identified you and we had moved on and you'd been on your way, then we could have contacted them, but we can't because we're not done with you.
No. You guys are trying to give me a hard time. I understand.
I'm not trying to
You
give you a
think the
hard time.
Federal Reserve is slower than America. That's fine.
So
I'll give you all the information I can give you. If you
Ace.
want anything else, I don't have it.
I asked you for your phone number. You won't even give me that. You told me you've been locked up recently. You won't even tell me what for.
I can't give you my personal
You won't
information.
tell us your address, you won't give us a real name or
You won't give me anything.
I gave you my name.
Well, it's not a match. You said you have an ID, which means either you're lying about having an ID or you're lying about the name. You can't be right about both. It's one or the other.
If you're in the color, Ace Monroe is not a common name. So that
Okay.
should have popped up something.
You're not understanding. I have people that are trying to do this.
what I'm
Okay?
here for.
No. You're not my protection. You're not my protection. You're not my security. I've already ordered you guys out of my universe. You guys are here illegally like everyone else. I don't need you guys
That's got nothing to do with what I'm talking about.
doing this.
You can just keep all that to yourself. I just need something to identify you with. Everything else you got to say really is irrelevant. All right?
Man, look.
Ace, I'm right here.
What you guys are
Ace,
doing is
Ace.
illegal.
Land this plane, man.
What you're doing is illegal.
Land
I'm the
is fine.
landlord, and you're asking me. I'm the owner of this,
Ace.
and you're asking me for identification.
Ace, I definitely need your ID.
I showed you my eyes on the universe. Why is that not ID to you?
Because
Is that not ID? I don't understand.
I don't have a retinal scan. I can't verify your identity by
The
that.
universe has a scan on me.
Well, it's not working through me. I need to see. They've given
The
me very
universe
limited stuff.
has more resources than you. It doesn't need to work through you. It doesn't work that way. They don't need to work through you.
Well,
You're not taller than the universe.
You're
sir.
talking about something else. I'm talking about right here, right now. Men have you stopped. Not anything in the universe. Entities that exist in your
I know.
presence.
You're a creature. You're a man. I know what this is.
Yes.
You may be an angel in disguise. I don't know. But I have angels. I have all types of things, entities that stalk me and watch me. And they already told me that you guys are stalking me. So did the reserve.
I'm not saying that's not true. I still need your ID.
I don't have any ID.
So what do you have? Help me work. Help me help you.
I don't have anything on me, sir.
So how could you possibly get locked up and they not identify who you are? They had something. They have something. That's all I'm trying to get to you. Your eyes are twitching. You're
I think I had something on me when they got me last time. But
Okay.
I don't have anything on me right now.
Well, what do you have?
What was it you had?
I think I had something. I don't know what it was, but I had something and they looked it up. I think it was a phone number or something.
See, that's why I'm asking for your phone number.
I don't have a phone number.
Well, how about this? So it's not that you don't care if we know your phone number, it's that you don't have one, right? So I'm gonna.
Sir, listen to me.
Hold on, my turn.
You're a
So,
human.
what's
I'm
that
God.
you?
I
Hold
can't
on.
communicate.
Whatever phone number is assigned to that phone, that's what we need. We don't. I know you don't have one, but we need to know what phone number is assigned to that phone. So can you call one of us?
Okay, you're interrogating a God. I understand. You
Oh,
want
that's a good
information.
one.
You want information.
Can you call us? If the power's in your hands. How about you
Can
call,
you call
one
one of us on that phone right there, just so we can make sure we know what's going
This
on?
phone is not on.
It is. We just showed us some.
No.
It's not in service?
It's not in service.
Well, what was the number to that phone?
The phone that is in service is my universal phone.
Well, what's
and
the-
you know what phone that is.
Well,
That is me. I'm the landlord. My universal phone
I got it, Ace.
is not on
What-
because if it was on,
What
you
was
guys
the
would be
number?
fried out.
What was the number?
I don't know. I don't keep track of anything that I can put down in a computer or something. I don't keep it in my mind. You understand? Like
What do you keep in your mind?
anything that I
An address?
that I don't need to store on a computer.
What about one of your next of kin's phone numbers?
Do you have any family?
No.
That'll work too. Any family or friends. I can call one of them, verify your identity. You can get out of here. That's fine.
No. I gave you my name. I showed you I'm with a different agency.
Well, you did give me your name, but
I'm with the Federal Reserve, okay? They make the rules, they make the money. They
Ace,
put the money.
Ace, where were you born? Where were you born? What state and what city?
I was born technically
Just your body. I'm talking about your body, not your
to
spiritual.
the American government. I was born in Hawaii.
Okay, you're born
to
in
the
Hawaii.
American government.
But what city in Hawaii?
I think it's I want to say Oa,
What is it?
but I think it's Honolulu. Oa. But where I was born is Honolulu.
That worked. All right. One second.
What does that stand for on your hat?
The most famous person alive.
Nice. Cool hat. Hey, what is it that you have with you that you don't want us to see?
No, I'm tired of you guys pressing me for
But you never met us. How'd you call
nothing.
us?
For nothing.
You never met us.
Sir, the Federal Reserve
My
knows.
first time ever meeting
You don't understand. The Federal Reserve is worse than the CIA. They know who you guys are.
Okay.
Okay? They know who he is. They know who I am. They put my face on the dollar bills. I showed it to him. He doesn't understand that I'm protecting myself from his arrogance to my situation. Okay? He thinks that he's my protection. He's not my protection. He's here to protect, the people in society.
Yeah.
I don't have anything to do with those people. Those people don't need to know my business or anything.
Right, and Ace, we want to get back to doing that, but we can't because we've already contacted you, and we can't stop contacting you until you verify who you are. And you've given me your name, but so far we've had nothing to verify. We need a second thing to tell us that's who you say you are, right? Because if I'm on the street and he stops me and he goes, "What's your name?" and I tell him, "It's John Smith."
So I'm the creator of universes.
Okay.
There's no game you can play with me. You guys are playing a game with me. You've been playing a game with me.
With us.
No. You guys are playing a game with me.
We don't play games.
Okay? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do any. What did I do wrong?
Oh, you jaywalked.
No. I walked across the street when the light turned red because I was halfway across. That's not jaywalking.
Well, that's an excuse, but that doesn't change what I did. Somebody can say I ran a red light, but because I didn't think I had time to stop. That's fine. That's an excuse, but it doesn't mean they didn't run the red light.
If I'm more than halfway going across, then I have to clear, and that's what I did.
Okay, I didn't see it happen. My partner did, but that's something you can argue later on.
Well,
he stopped you because you jaywalked, and that's why
he says that he was coming. I'm like, well, he didn't hit me. No one hit me. No one came near me. So I don't understand what he's saying.
Okay.
And so now I have to record this.
That's okay. We're recording too.
Because
right here.
Right. I'm really recording this 3 times, but
What was the first 2 times?
I have a recording on everything.
Everything?
Yeah, this is my house. I have a recording on everything.
What city are you in?
I'm coming from Walnut.
Walnut?
Yeah.
What city are you in right now?
I'm at the Bishop Ranch Center.
Okay, what city are you in?
What city am I in? Contra Costa.
That's not a city.
I don't even know because
You're looking for a street